Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today, a set of suspension from a 2023 KTM 350 SXF was finished up here at the shop. The shock was revalved and resprung to a motocross spec. We used a 5.4 kilogram, which is a 53 Newton meter spring for the rider. The rider is approximately 235 and 6'4". And for the forks, we did the WP XACT Pro 6500 kit that we also revalved to match the spring rates we utilized, which were a 5.2 Newton meter spring inside of the forks. The forks have already been packaged up, so don't get to show you too much of those, but as you can see, we have the forks inside their own round shipping tubes. That ensures that they are packed safely and will get to the customer safely without any damage happening. And the shock we're going to wrap up really nice as well before we drop that on into the inside. The suspension is very configurable, so whether you're riding off-road, motocross, supercross, whatever you are, we definitely got a setting for you, and it adapts well to different revalves and modifications. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. If you'd like your own suspension to be done by us, please give us a call or send us an email.